Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is self-love. Libra, it's time to love on yourself. If you don't take care of anything in this world first, make sure you take care of yourself. This is one thing that you need to do is take care of yourself. Have a pamper day, a spa day. Treat your body like a machine. It'll break down and short circuit as one. But if you treat your body with love and if you maintenance it well, it will reward you with the ease, a beauty of life. Therefore, if you feel better, you think better. Therefore, your life shall become better with higher and better results. I attend to my needs by listening to my heart. My inner essence lets me know what is good for me. I respect my limits. You're not missing out. You're revolving past people, places, things, financial abundances into something to a greater good. You're finding new crowds to hang out with. You're finding new interests. There's nothing wrong with that. I answer my requests of my body and my soul. Thus, I learn to love myself, fill myself up. Therefore, I can be an all-powerful, loving being to the rest of the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.